Hi, I am Shaika Sharika. Welcome to my channel. We know that the entire world is currently infected with the coronavirus. Most affected countries are USA, Italy, Spain, France, Germany, UK, China, Iran, Turkey, etc. One of them, USA, is the most powerful and richest county, but now it is highly affected with coronavirus. Half of US counties are losing jobs for COVID-19. The US economy is careening toward a recession. Some financiers, like the top economist at Bank of America, believe we're already in one. We are going to face huge economy crisis. In these circumstances, most of the people are staying at home to save them. They have no work. So, no work, no money. But we know that money is a must in human life. Do you want to earn money from home? Obviously, you want. I earnestly want to help you. So, I am going to tell you how you can earn money online free from home. An increasingly popular way for all the people to make money is to fill out online surveys in their spare time. For a few minutes of form filling, you can make a couple of quid, which is paid as cash or rewards. You can bag up to $1,000 for some surveys. I will show you best 10 websites which are very easy to use and fast paying. They're very well trusted sites. They send you surveys to answer by email. You can currently get a bonus just for signing up. The surveys pay out higher than the industry average too, which gives you the opportunity to earn some good dough. However, they do select their survey respondents very carefully. The surveys are usually quite interesting and are pretty easy to complete. It takes around 10 to 15 minutes to take each survey. Just make sure you answer questions honestly and make sure you fully complete your profile to give yourself. If you can hit the sweet spot with this survey sites, you could make some good money. So, within just 1 hour you could bag full of money yourself. There is also mobile compatibility, so you can take surveys on the go. So, go to the website's links which are given below description and earn some good dough.